at you by the window pane, golden light dancing on your face. No rush in the air, no words to say, just the calm of another day. Every move you make feel easy, like you don't even try to shine. But the way the light fall on you got me losing track of time. You don't need to call attention, you don't force the moment through. It's the quiet way you exist that keeps pulling me to you. There's sunlight on your skin, and it feels like peace to me. Every time you pull me closer, everything slows down gently. No heat that burns, no fire that scars, just warmth that knows who we are. There's sunlight on your skin, and I don't wanna be anywhere else. Yeah, oh. You laugh soft, not too loud, like you're keeping something sacred. Even silence feel alive when you're standing in it naked. No pretending, no disguise, just truth resting in your eyes. And every shadow in my mind fade away when you step inside. You don't rush the day to end, you don't chase what hasn't been. You let love happen naturally, and that's the space I wanna live in. No, there's sunlight on your skin, and it feels like peace to me. Every time you pull me closer, everything slow down gently. No heat that burns, no fire that scars, just warmth that knows who we are. There's sunlight on your skin, and I don't wanna be anywhere else. If love is a moment, let it stay right here. No need to rush into tomorrow's fear. Give me this light, this honest glow, this kind of love that grows slow. No shadows chasing what we begin, just open hearts and sunlight on skin. There's sunlight on your skin, and my worries slip away. In this glow I feel at home, in this moment I will stay. No drama calling out my name, no need to rearrange. There's sunlight on your skin, and that's enough for me. Let it shine.